Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to create 4K video with the CapCut application. So I already prepared the video for you. Let's take a look on this video first. Okay, let's make this video become 4K. So the first thing we have to do to make this video 4K is adjusting the color of this video. We just need to go click the clip, and after that we just need to slide this feature into the left side until we found adjust. And whenever we found adjust, you just need to go click it. And in this adjust section, you just need to slide this tools into the left side until you found grabs. This, and then you just need to go click it. Make sure that you bring this all part is upside down, so the down part here will be on the upper part, and then for the upper part will be going down, and it will be need or take some times because we need to apply it for all of the color here, the green, and the last step, which is the blue one. And after we're done, we just need to go click back here and go click the checklist button. And after that, we need to go back and jump into the effects. And this effect, you just need to go into the video effects. To make it simple, just go into the search button and type blur. And after that, you just need to go click search. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click the effects that makes the video blur and go click cancel and checklist button. Make sure that you're adjusting this effects into the whole video, so drag this part into the end of the clip. Okay, and whenever everything is done, you just need to export this video by go click this. And whenever everything's done, you just need to go back into the project that you have and go bring the clip into the original video. And whenever everything is already in the original video, you just need to go back and click overlay and add overlay and choose the video that we already created before. And after you're done, make sure that you bring the clip with the same size to the original clip. And after that, you just need to go click blend. And this blend, you need to find a burn effects, which is this part. You just need to go click it. And after that, you need to adjust in it by drag into the left side to make it less intense. Let's just bring it into the 30. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. This is not the end. We need to add another overlay, so you just need to go click this add overlay, go into the stock videos, and we need to find a background and choose the white background. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click add. And now make sure that you're adjusting it into the frame, so pinch with two of your finger. And whenever you already did it, you just need to go click blend again, and you need to click overlay. And in this part, you just need to adjust in it to make it less intense. I think to 85. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And this is the look of the 4K video. So that's the way how to create the 4K video in a CapCut application. If you found this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.